Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, our today's topic is computation of profitability index or benefit cost ratio. We have two projects. Project A has initial investment 42,000 and project B has 45,000 initial investment. And our discount rate is 10% per annum. Benefit cost ratio और profitability index ratio basically होती क्या है? अगर हम देखें जब हम नेट प्रेजेंट वैल्यू कंप्यूट कर रहे थे तो नेट प्रेजेंट वैल्यू में हम प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ कैश फ्लोज में से इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट को माइनस करते थे, लेकिन जबकि अब हम प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ कैश फ्लोज को इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे। तो प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इंडेक्स की जो इंडेक्स का जो डिसीजन क्राइटेरिया है, that's very clear. If PI is greater than 1, accept the project. And if PI is less than 1, then reject the project. We will now first initially discount the cash flows as per this technique, and then we will divide it by the initial investment. So for project A, we have cash flows from the end of the first year to up to 5 year, 14,000, a continuous series of NOT. हम इसको NOT के फार्मूले के साथ भी डिस्काउंट कर सकते हैं। हमने यहाँ पे टेबल बनाया हुआ है, एक एक वैल्यू के साथ भी हम जो है वो इसको डिस्काउंट करके जो है वो यहाँ पे कंप्यूट कर सकते हैं। इज इक्वल टू 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस interest rate is 10%, and we will fix the interest rate. It will remain same for all years, but years will rotate from first year to 5th year. We will close this function after this computation. This first interest factor, we will drag this computation up to here, and then we will get the present value of cash flows by multiplying the cash flow with present value interest factor for given interest rate and for given number of periods is equal to 14,000 multiplied present value interest factor. Then we will drag these values and we will get the summation, and the summation is 53,071.0148. Now we will compute the benefit cost ratio or profitability index for project A is equal to, we have got the present value of cash flows divided by initial investment of project A, and we got the profitability index ratio for project A, that is 1.26. And in the same manner, we will compute the benefit cost ratio or profitability index for project B. We have cash flows 28,000, 14,000, and 10,000 consecutively for the next 3 years is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus I. Interest rate is 10%. We will make its function its power, that's the vesting from 1 to 5 years. We will close the second bracket and we will fix the interest rate. We will drag these values up to here. We will make a computation. 28,000 multiplied first interest factor. Then we will drag these values and we got the same sum 57,577. Now we will compute profitability index for project B is equal to sum of present value of cash flows and divided by the initial investment of project B, that is 1.27. Now we can say the project B is acceptable because project B has higher profitability index than project A.